G'day guys, how are we going? Well, welcome back to Basie's Camp Kitchen out here in the beautiful Victorian High Country. And today we're going to do a bit of a cook up down there on the campfire. Bit of a snack, I suppose. You've been out on the tracks all day and you want a bit of a cook up snack, say between lunch and maybe dinner. This is going to be an absolute cracker just for that. So what we're going to do, we're going to dice up some potatoes. We're going to put a bit of parsley in it. Then add all the good stuff. Yep, don't worry, there's garlic going in it. A few herbs and salt and pepper and that sort of stuff. And they've got some parmesan cheese, a bit of grated cheese going to go in it. We're going to wrap it up in tin foil, cook it down there on a bed of coals. This is going to be absolutely amazing. Let's get into it. Righto, so first things first, I'm going to dice up the potatoes and get them all ready to go. I'm going to mix them in that bowl with all the stuff, put all the good things in it. I'm going to wrap it up and put on the campfire down on some coals. This one up, put him in the bowl. Now, depending on how many people you're doing this cook up for, it would be depending on how many potatoes you're going to cut up. But this will just be a nice little afternoon snack for me, I reckon. Be really nice. Dice him up. Righto, get all them in there. Leave the good bit to last. Put a bit of Italian herbs that we all know I like plenty of that stuff. Bit of oil. Mix all that in there. Oh, look at that. Bit of salt and pepper. Bit of pepper. I'll do that. And a good old garlic. Get plenty of this in there, good tablespoon of that, maybe a bit more. Have a go at that. And then it's going to mix this all up, get all the flavours and everything all into it. Oh, one's escaped. Pretty quick little meal to cook up too, it doesn't take long. There we go, nicely mixed up. Righto, bit of foil. Take it down there. Lay the foil out, get the nice ones to blow away. And just scoop all that into there. Look at that. Don't forget to get all the good stuff out of it. Righto, just spread them out so they're nice and flat and they'll cook them nice and easier. Oh, look at that. And just wrap him up. Wrap that over there. Don't wrap him up too tight because you want to be able to get into it a bit easier later on, just when you go time to put the cheese in. There we go. Look at that. Down the fire we go. Nice little coal base going on here. Just bring it away from the fire because you don't want too much of the heat from the fire in this. It's all just to be cooked on the coals. Great coal base going on there. Flatten him out. Sit that on there. Oh, some good heat coming out of that. Here it's sizzling away. Now we're going to sit that on there about 8 minutes. We'll flip them over. Do the other side for about 8 minutes. Open them up. Put all the cheese in it. Bit of parsley. What a snack this is going to be. Fantastic. We're about 4 minutes in now and oh, sizzling away beautifully with all the oil and garlic and all the herbs in it. It's going to be one hell of a cook up. Don't forget the rest of it on. Cooking on the campfire, you just, I don't know. I keep going on about it, you just can't beat Fenningham cooking on the open campfire like this on the coals and flavours and everything. You just can't replicate the same thing at home, you just can't do it. Can't beat it. Simple life, campfire, way to go. Have a go at that. Righto. Been sitting there now for about 8 odd minutes or so. Now it's time to flip him over and cook the other side. Good old bricky trowel's going to do just the job nice. Just be careful because it's going to be hot. Just going to put a few new coals on there, get a few more out of the fire. just to cook up the other side. Flatten them out. And here we go. Look at that. Sizzling away again beautifully. So we'll do this side, take it back over the table over there, and we'll put all the other stuff in it. Righto, so we're now about 16 odd minutes for 8 minutes aside. That is so warm, we'll take that over the table now. We'll get all the cheeses in it, bring it back over here, melt it all up. Righto, let's open this up and have a look. Smells good. Oh, look at that. Cooked absolutely beautifully, nice and brown. Have a go at that. Beautiful. Now we'll put some cheese on it. Bit grated cheese. Put as much or as little as you like. Look at that. There. Bit of parmesan. Wrap this up again. We'll put it back on the fire. Oh. Put it back on the fire. Melt all the cheeses up, and we'll come back for a little fresh dose of parmesan, bit of mint on the, bit of parsley on the top. Gummy grapes. Back on the fire. Get some fresh hot coals out. Flatten it out. And we'll let that sit there for, give it probably about 4 or 5 minutes I reckon, just melt that cheese up, let it all run through. It's sizzling already, have a listen to it. Just when you put it back on the fire for this time, just to melt that cheese, put the cheese side up, don't put the cheese side probably down on the coals. Probably going to be way too much heat, probably end up burning your cheese, and that'll be the last thing you want to do. And the good thing too, you can have a bit of a check. Let's have a look and see how it's all going. Oh, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. A nice look. Oh, that is so done. Righto, over the table we go. And there. Snack is served. Oh, just look at that. Right, let's chop up a bit of parsley to go on top of it. Parmesan first, I reckon. On the top. Oh, so soft. That is absolutely knockout. Absolutely beautiful. Sensation. There you go, guys. That's a grip of snack. Have a go at it. Let us know how you think. And fair chance I'll catch you somewhere out in the high country someday. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later on.